Boo. Boo. River. Boo. Boo. Are you gorgeous? Are you gorgeous? Are you gorgeous? Are you gorgeous? Come on, please. Come on, please, Ruby.
They trick you in instead of it saying 4, 6.
Ava, what are you teaching my child? Ruby, don't push her out of the way, please. Ruby, what were you singing just then? Come and show me. You're not in trouble. I'm trying to ask you something, silly. What were you singing? I heard you singing. Come and show me. Ruby, come and show me. Oh, fuck's sake. What? Yeah, what were you singing just then? I'm sexy and I know it. Were you saying that?
Yeah.
Was Ava teaching you that? What was she teaching me? You show me. Hey. Right, no sweeties then. Be moody. No, if you're going to be moody, then you're having any sweeties, Ruby. That's what happens. I'm just talking to you. You don't have to get moody about it. I'm fed up of it. It's morning. It's not even afternoon yet, and you're moody already, Ruby. As usual. What? Do you want this? Go on then.
I can't.
What do you want me to do this for? You're too little? What do you want me to do? I'm pointing the camera. What do you want me to do now?
I can't do it.
Can't do what? What can't you do? You're too little.
I'm not too little.
Why? What's she not too little to do?
I'm big.
I know. She's bigger than you, but I don't understand what you're on about.
I'm not big. Boo. 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 Is that funny? Is that funny? Are you gonna laugh again? Are you gonna laugh? Is it funny? You gonna laugh again? Boo. Boo.
We're going to put that UK Hot 40
Just put him down, he stayed asleep, bless him.
But the show action will be back again on the other side of this. Stay right where you are.
Hope you didn't fall, Ruby. Ruby, don't fall.
I could tell you were enjoying the girls. I think Brian is absolutely killing it tonight.
You know, I stand by what I said last week. You know, which is just unexpected.
Well, you obviously have babies on the mind.
Just curious. Very much.
Daniel, we both know there's another reason why you're seeing this.
Which is?
You want a baby.
What? Are you out of your mind? What, a baby?
Well, considering my current state, I find it hard to...
Natalie? What's wrong, Doc? I need to talk to Natalie.
Still asleep.
When you wanted to?
Not since I said okay.
Okay, I don't
Let's try and move him and keep him asleep. God, baby's waking up too.
Convinced me that I should try to get along without her, so I asked her to leave, and I haven't seen her since, and now I'm screwed.
Doc, does this have something to do with Agent Bishop?
What do you know about it?
I saw on the news tonight they found her body. And when you were first admitted to Rexford, you screamed about her being kidnapped. And whoever did it was coming after you next.
Dr. Rosenthal! Stay here. We need you in here. All of you, just to get to me, like you did with Bishop. Don't you understand? You gotta let me go. What is it? No, leave.
Right, Ruby?
I was delusional at Rexford, Louie. You know that.
Maybe you should talk to Dr. Rosenthal.
The bodies in the street with a needle full of heroin in their arm, and then police just
Painting my nails.
What am I supposed to do with this?
And looking this one.
Just ask them how many other OD cases like this are out there.
Went back to sleep.
And the pattern we figure out.
As you can see, it's freezing out there. My poor cheeks. Just been to the park. Been to the park, now we're here, Ruby's making a mess. And we're going to sleep, and I've got some muffins for me and some suppers for Ruby. It's now food time.
Ruby's chippies. My chippies. Look. Yucky, not even disgusting. Some of them are still hard. I'm not impressed. It cost me £7 for it. And fish cakes. Are they pretty?
Wow. It's not a firework night, is it, Ruby?
No. What's that?
We're doing it in the garden over there. Look, can you see where it's coming from? In our garden.
Yeah.
Whoa. Do you like fireworks now? They're not very noisy ones, are they? Hey, does that make a funny noise, that one?
Yeah.
Went high, that one.
Huh?
Went high, that one did. Look, went really high.
Mine high.
The noisy one goes really high, doesn't it? Off it goes. Off it goes again. Oh, there it is. There's better ones a minute ago. We'll say all the same ones now.
Yeah. I didn't noisy ones.
Yeah, you don't like noisy ones.
No.
Did you like those ones?
Yeah. And not noisy that one.
No.
A different noisy one.
Yeah, it goes me instead, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yes. Bim.
Is that one you don't like?
Yeah.
What does it do?
Bim. I do this. Firework. I do that.
Yeah.
Firework. I eat that one now.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Do you think they finished?
I want to see more. Huh.
Oh.
Huh.
Look, they're pretty ones now. Do you like the noisy ones? They look pretty though, don't they? They make big circly bits. All sparkly. All the dogs are barking outside now. Neighbours' dogs.
Let's watch the rain.
Do you think there'll be more?
No.
Pardon?
Tell me there's more.
me there's more.
Yeah.
People
Ooh.
watching it down there as well.
Huh?
People going past me watching it as well.
I don't put in there. I don't put in there. Ooh.
They're pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
Are you really excited? Whoa. Whoa. I'm surprised River's not woke up after this. My windows need cleaning.
Huh?
I need to clean these windows, they're filthy.
Yeah. Mama, that's not the flower.
It's not firework night, is it?
No.
When it's bonfire night, we're going to go and see fireworks. Whoa, lots.
Why not keep it stopping? Wow. Why not keep it?
Did that one scare you?
Yeah.
Fireworks, fireworks. Yeah, I know. They're gone now.
Who's not in bed?
I'm not going to come to the windows anymore.
Why?
Because they keep coming and going. Eagle Piggle's not in bed. Naughty Eagle Piggle.
Mama,
Yeah.
you watch.
I'll watch from over there on the sofa.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
Huh?
Suppose.
Huh?
Stay still so I can see them.
Yeah.
It's Pudsey. Hello, Pudsey. Put your feet down so I can see them. And Mummy's too. Look, there's quiet ones. Quiet fireworks out there. Not making any noise.
I'm not you entirely. Well, you're not quite a sprinting greyhound.
You like being Cruella? Yeah, I love being Cruella. I wanted to shout a bit more about
Got this for half an hour's work.
And for dog training, obviously went
20
very
minutes.
well.
20 minutes.
Terribly well. They listen to me perfectly.
Hey, come back, please.
Laura. Laura. Mummy.
Why you call me Laura?
Mummy.
What?
I will do that. Laura. I will do that.
Ava calls me Laura.
Yeah.
Why did she call me Laura for?
I don't know, Mummy.
It's my name.
Yeah. You Laura, Mummy.
Yeah, my name's Laura. What's your name?
Ruby.
Yeah. Why do I call you Ruby, but you don't call me? Why don't you call me Laura?
Laura.
Yeah. Why do you call me Mummy? Why don't you call me Laura?
Laura. Laura.
You're gonna start calling me Laura now, are you?
Laura.
Yeah.
You do kill me. I really like you because you've created your own art form.
What the hell, Laura?
You want Doctor Who?
Yeah.
It's enough this sausage.
No, Laura.
Because you don't care. The old pantomime side of
Oh, I don't get anything.
Yes, Laura. I don't know, Mummy. I don't know the mouse.
On my tongue. I haven't got anything.
There you are. You get chocolate in your mouth.
Oh,
What? That's not chocolate, that's my tongue. I haven't got anything.
Silly me, I didn't record. He's been asleep a long time and he's still asleep. Oh, he's smiling.
I'm waking up now.
River, you gotta wake up. You've been asleep a long time. It's a bit strange this time of night.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake
That's
up!
enough. That's enough. No, don't do that. Are you gonna wake up now, River? Don't mean you want to do, River. Should we leave him a bit longer?
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Giggle, giggle!
Take this now.
Giggle, 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 giggle. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!
Give him a W. He's not gonna wake him up. He's gonna go back to sleep. Leave him. He doesn't want to wake up. Leave him now. Let's go back upstairs.
Why are you keeping the goat? Was with and we
No.
whooping and dying, sleeping.
No, you can't eat it. You got to go to bed now. Yeah, it's bedtime now.
That's four.
What?
I need to watch Treasure Hill.
Oh, you need to watch Doctor Who first.
Yeah.
Okay, you got to bed straight after that. Okay.
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 Well, anything you do as you're told, or stop threatening me. There really is nothing I don't see here.
You know what, Doctor? When it comes to taking control, you really are out of your depth. One last chance. And I don't care about the rules. I don't give a damn about Paradox's save Danny. Bring him back. You will never step inside your TARDIS again.
No.
Do as you were told.
No.
Say it again so I know you mean it.
No.
I'm not kidding, Doctor.
No.
I will do it.
Out of my car, I just get
Okay, people.
I never.
Somewhat. Over time, Dr. Scorito became convinced
I never.
he recently departed.
The state of it. Sent her to bed and she's going to sleep on the floor. What a nutter. What's she like, eh? What's she like?
Surgical emphysema with crepitus in his neck.
Trapezoidotomy?
Let's extend his neck.
That's 90%.
Right, let's keep him steady.